Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and in today's video we're diving into the world of large language models, also known as LLMs. This is the AI technology behind tools like ChatGPT and Gemini, and we'll break it down into a way that's simple, fun and easy to understand. So let's start with the introduction. We'll start with a question like, have you ever wondered how ChatGPT can write essays, solve coding problems, or even chat like a human? So, the secret behind all of this is something that is called as a large language model or an LLM. And in today's video, we're going to break it down into simplest way possible. So basically, what are LLMs? LLMs is a type of advanced artificial intelligence that can understand and generate human-like language. So LLMs, short for large language models, they are AI intelligent systems that can understand and generate human-like text. And also, they are super smart text predictors. So like an LLM has information, like it has read tons of information of books, websites, articles to learn how language works, and then it can predict what is the next word that I could do. I'll show you with a simple analogy. So think of an LLM like a student which has read all the books in the library. So when you ask a question to this LLM, so it won't just memorize all the answers, all the lines of the books from the library. What it will do is it will predict the most likely sequence of words based on what it has learned. So I'll show you with an example. For example, if I say once upon a and then a blank, and then I ask this LLM to complete. So what it will do is, depending on the knowledge that it has learned, depending on the textual data that it has learned, it will know that the next word is likely time. So the sentence will be completed as once upon a time. So it's simple, it's same, just like on your smartphone keyboard, when you type something, you get next words prediction, like what the next probable word could be like. So LLMs are on a much bigger and much smarter scale. How do LLMs work? So LLMs are built using neural networks, and a specific neural network that is the game changer, that is also called transformer architecture. So on the right hand side you can see this is the architecture, transformer model architecture. It's a very deep architecture. We'll go through this topic in upcoming videos. So what it does, LLMs, they learn from massive amounts of training data. During the training of these LLMs, massive amounts of data. OpenAI guys say that most of the open source free available internet data is used to train these models. So what is done is, these data is broken down into smaller pieces, and these smaller pieces are called tokens. So the language is broken down into tiny chunks called tokens, and I'll show you an example of a tokenization. You can see that if I have a sentence, natural language processing, then if I do word level tokenization, it will be converted into natural as one token, language as one token, and processing as one token. So this is what tokenization is done. Then these tokens are converted into numbers, vectors, and then these are fed to the LLM. So this data comes from different sources, which are books, articles, websites, codes, whatever the free available data is there on the internet. And then these data is given to this transformer architecture on the right that you can see. And in this there are billions of parameters, billions of values that are fine-tuned. Like these parameters are kind of tiny knobs that are adjusted during training, so that the model can guess like what is the next word that would come in the sentence. So in simple terms, it's like teaching a student to finish sentences by showing them millions of examples until they get really good at predicting what comes next. So some real world applications that we can see of LLMs. One is the most famous ChatGPT. There are other platforms of very good performing LLMs such as Claude. Basically, it's used for coding applications, and Google's Gemini. This is also very famous. These all three are top competitors of each other. So to summarize, LLMs are large language models that can understand and generate human-like text, and they are trained on massive amounts of data using neural networks with billions of parameters, and they power some of the most exciting AI tools in the world today. So that's it for today's video, guys. If you have found this helpful, make sure to like this video, subscribe to this channel, and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video. Bye bye.